In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram login loading problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data in case you are using Wi-Fi. Restart your router. Likewise, you can restart your device. This will clear temporary glitches that might be affecting the login process. Next, make sure your Instagram app is updated. For that, navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. If you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, clear app cache. For that, launch settings, go to General, click on iPhone storage, find Instagram and launch it. Click on Upload app and confirm it. For the Android device, press and hold on the app, click on App Info, go to Storage, then click on Clear Cache and confirm it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If you are using Instagram app and cannot log in, you can use the web version. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website, Instagram. From there, you can try to log in. If none of these solutions work, you can check the server status of Instagram, navigate to the website like Town Detector, search for Instagram. If there are any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And lastly, you can completely delete the Instagram app and reinstall it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram login loading problem. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.